Hello guys, welcome to another Saturday meal, and this time we are having deep fried corn. And guys, you should know me by now, I forgot to put in the buttermilk, okay, in the beginning of the ingredients. Alright, so I put my corn, I bought the bird's eye corn, and they were already cut up, so I put them in buttermilk, I let them soak, okay. Here I have my Kiki's famous seafood mix. Right here. Alright. And just put it in a bowl. Just turn these around. Just putting it over here. Pat it. Pat the seasoning in. Now if you don't have my seafood mix, then you can go ahead and mix your own cornmeal stuff. Or you can go and buy it from the store. I don't know which one. But at any rate, you can put your Cajun seasoning into your cornmeal mix if you want to. With mine, you don't need nothing else in it because the cornmeal seasoning is already seasoned. That's what you want to do. And you're going to put it on a rack and let it sit for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you're going to have your oil already preheated. Right now I'm doing, I think like 400 on this one. This one don't seem to get really super hot. And I bought this thing from Walmart. Like I said, I have a commercial one, but it's too big to bring down, and it draws a lot of power. That's what you want to do. I'm going to do one more. Okay. That's what you want to do. You can have this for football season, basketball season, party, 4th of July, your own July.
What is your own July?
Just you.
That seems to be my July every year. I can relate.
Yeah, just you. Okay, you want to pat that in. I said I was just going to do one more. Let me do these last two before you guys said, what did she do? So I soaked the corn in buttermilk. Okay. Buttermilk gives it a better coat. Now you can go to the extreme and use your egg wash. You know, you can flour it first, your corn, dip it in the egg wash, and then dip it in your cornmeal. Okay. And when you let it set, what it's doing is the buttermilk is drawing the mix in, so mainly won't really fall off in the oil. Okay, last one. So to get the Kiki's famous seafood mix, just go to www.carlissspices.com. That's www.dot
Don't do that, because somebody will put www.dotcar. It's right down there on the screen. Right there, right?
Right
yep.
below.
Right there. Mm-hmm. See that? See, that's it.
Okay.
I can totally see somebody doing that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's YouTube.
Wow. Okay. Alright, you're going to let this sit. Alright, let me wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my oil is heated. And so I'm getting this one that's been set for a while. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to use 3. And I'm going to slowly add it in because remember, it's going to pop because of the
starchy water that's inside of the corn kernel.
right.
Right, Mom?
That's right. Okay, and you're going to let that cook for maybe about 5 to 8 minutes. You can bring it up to see if it's golden brown. And you can serve this with really any type of sauce that you like. Mainly the blue cheese or the ranch.
We ain't got none.
What? Blue cheese?
Yeah.
No, but we had to make a ranch. I got the stuff for the ranch. Well, no, I don't. I'm out of the mayo. And I just used the buttermilk. So no, we don't have none. Okay. Slowly bring it up. See if it's brown. See, look at that. And let it cook. Maybe about 1 more minute. I had to get my tongs. Turn it over a little bit. Okay. This is better with corn than Kiki's famous seafood mix.
It smells good.
All right. This is how it's looking. Now don't bite into this, guys. So let this cool off completely. Don't give it to your little ones. Let it completely cool off. Okay. All right. I'm gonna try to do 3 more. Well, let's see if I can do 4. I don't want them crowded.
I just would have put them all in there.
I know you would
One
have.
right there, and then there's one that can fit right in the center.
I know you would have to get it over with. Okay. You can invest in a deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, you could put it in your grease in a big pot. Usually I put mine in my pressure cooker pot. That's my all thing pot. So you just want to let this cook. Now you probably don't have to cook it like 7 minutes, 6 minutes or whatever. It'll probably be maybe about 3 or 4 minutes, but it all depends on your pot as well.
I was gonna say, if we had the old stove, you might as well say 20 minutes.
I know. I know. And guys, I really won't fry stuff on my gas stove because I'm afraid. Smarty pants will fry anything on the stove.
I sure will.
I don't like the part that, you know how the grease splatters and it gets, the grease kind of hits under the pan and then you start seeing little, I don't know, I call it sparks. I hate that. Okay. Turn this over. You don't want to disturb the coating. Because the longer this sits, the crispy it would get. Not really crispy, but it will get crispy. Okay. This right here, you can season anything. You can fish, chicken, corn, vegetable, whatever you want to do, you can do with this. This is a 32 ounce.
I knew somebody who made dip out of it.
Yeah.
I kind of just looked at it, was like, dip. Interesting.
Yeah. We gave some to one of Smurry Pants associates.
Not even associate.
Okay.
It's, I don't know what to call it. It ain't nothing. It was somebody who was taking up atoms and neurons and stuff.
And she turned around. And how did she mix it? I thought that was hilarious.
I think she said sour cream.
She put sour cream and the seafood mix together with the sour cream.
And it was dip.
It was dip. And she said it was good. It's like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would think it would have been awfully grainy, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see how else they could have done it.
I don't either.
Just saying, don't make no dip out of it.
Yeah.
By the way, no, I did not try none.
Okay. Wash my hands here. Okay, guys. I'm going to finish these up and I'll come back with the finish. So here is my deep fried corn right here. I hope you guys like it. Make it. It is scrumptious, delicious. I know I said that wrong, but you guys get my drift, okay? Here it is right here. Like I said, if you don't have my seafood mix, go and purchase at www.carlissspices.com and click on the product page and you will see it. Alright? And now if you don't have it, like I said, you can use your own mix that you like and season your flour, your cornmeal, however you want to do it. Okay? And that's what you do that. And of course, pulling this back, made it with Kiki's famous seafood mix. That right there. You don't need no other type of seasoning but that. It's all in the mix. Okay? So guys, give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments to let me know that you're there, because majority of the time I don't know you guys are there or not because you're not really commenting. If you want to see more of me cooking of my legacies, you guys need to comment. Literally, you literally need to comment and share my videos. I mean, I'm not trying to be Miss Popular or anything like that, but I would like to be shared. And if you buy my mixes and stuff, my spices and stuff, you'll help me get into your local stores. This is what I'm aiming for. This is my goal. So if you guys buy my products, and you'll help me get these products in stores. I already have it here in one local store. So you guys just keep it up. Just buy so it could be, so I could go global. I really want to go global with my spices because my spices is like no other. Trust and believe. It's like no other. So go get your chitlin seasoning mix. Go get your barbecue rub, get the chicken rub, get the trio sample card, get all that. Just go on my site and you'll see. Alright? So, as I always say, guys, stay loving, be loving as I always love you, and bless the love, the camera woman, and my everything would say.
I'm your everything now?
Well, you are right now, because the other
yeah,
day,
right now.
Yeah, because earlier you wasn't.
We'll work for food.